Losing weight is a common goal for many people, and it often involves making changes to your diet, exercise, and lifestyle. While the journey to weight loss can be challenging, it is achievable with the right approach and mindset. Here in this video, we will discuss various aspects of losing weight, including diet, exercise, and healthy habits. Understanding weight loss. When you eat fewer calories than your body needs, you lose weight. This leaves you with fewer calories than you need, so your body burns fat stores for energy. Usually, you need to cut back on calories by about 3,500 to lose 1 pound. Eating fewer calories and doing more physical exercise are two ways to reach this goal. Healthy eating habits. Food is one of the most important parts of losing weight. Getting and staying in a balanced lifestyle requires that you change the way you eat. Fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains are all whole foods that are high in nutrients. Watch your portions to avoid eating too much, and think about the foods you eat. To make sure you get all the nutrients you need, you might want to eat a range of foods. Hydration. A fact that many people forget is that staying refreshed is important when trying to lose weight. Water is an important part of this process because it keeps your metabolism going and helps you control your hunger, which keeps you from eating too much. It is suggested that you drink 8 glasses of water every day. If you want to cut down on calories, you might want to choose water over sugary drinks. Making this simple change can help you lose weight quicker. Physical activity. To lose weight, it's important to make regular physical activity a part of your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise every week. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming are good choices. These exercises get your heart rate up and contribute to weight loss. Apart from aerobic exercises, it's also beneficial to include strength training in your routine. This involves exercises that work your muscles, like lifting weights or doing body weight exercises. Building muscle is helpful because it can increase your metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn calories. This, in turn, supports your weight loss efforts. Prioritizing sleep. Sleep is often taken for granted, even though it is an important part of keeping your weight in check. When someone doesn't get enough sleep, the chemicals that control hunger and fullness can become imbalanced. This can make them want to eat more and end up overeating. To help you lose weight, try to get between 7 and 9 hours of good sleep every night. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more such content. Thanks for watching.